Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Code Cracker. This is tutorial number 3 of our C++ course. In today's session, we will be mastering input and output operation. As we will also take a look to the escape sequence. Let's get started without wasting another time. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Um, let's first talk about the input and output operation. What is input and output operation in C++? Basically, it used to um, basically, input operation is the operation that you use to take the input from the user at the runtime, and this works in C++ by using extraction operators and the cin function where we take the input. The input may be in the form of character, maybe in the form of alphabet, and in the form of numbers. It doesn't matter. Just we need to take input from the user, and this is the basic input of code. You can understand very good concept from this code. Let's see this code. Basically, how we can take input from the user, we can take input from the user by using extraction operator. Basically, extraction operator is this type of operator, and it's a greater sign operator. Basically, it's known as extraction operator that take input from the user. This is the C++ code. In this code, how we can take in from the user. In previous video, I show you how we can declare the data type and in the form of its name. And you can see there I have declared a data type that has a name of age. Simply what I'm going to do, I have to store the value to this age. Then what I should do, simply I have to display the some string, line to the screen so the user can user can see that line and give the response to the that line. And this line should be that enter your age. User see this message that enter your age. On the response of this message, he will able to provide the his age. How we can take input by using a cin command and this extraction operator and the name of a variable, and this will put the value that user. This will put the value that is given by the user and hold the value in the age variable. By using cin and extraction operator, this is syntax of taking input from the user. There maybe we can use a multiple input at the same time. You can see from this, if we have to enter a two number, and first of all you see there, I have declared the two variables. There is a and b that has a type of integer, and like normal numbers 1 2 3 minus 1 and 1 2 3, it's a normal number. And the other thing is the cout enter two number. First of all, we have display the message on the screen so user can see this message and give the response according to the message. And user will able to enter two numbers. User will see this message and provide the answer according to this. If user want to enter cin command, if you want to take the multiple input at the same time, we simply use the cin operator, extraction operator, and after the one variable, we just after the one variable, just we need to uh, also add the second variable so we can input the values of two variable at the same time. After inputting, we are displaying this we are displaying this message. You enter the number and a and b message will be displayed. A and b number will be displayed. And output operation. Basically, output operation is a type of operation that we display on the screen. So user can see the message and provide the response according to the message. And user can also use it basically used by using an insertion operator. And the input operation we use the extraction operator, but in output operation we use an insertion operator. Basically, the syntax basic in output operator, and this is the insertion operator we are going to use for the output operations. And this is a basic code, and let's check this out. If we firstly initialize the age by using integer that is 25, and now we have to display this age 25. For how we can use the extraction operator. Before the extraction operator, we have to use the cout. Basically, cout is used to print out the message on the screen, and the message will be displayed that your age is, and this message will display. If we want to print a message on the screen, we have to write the in the double quotation. And if we want to print the variable on the screen, simply we have to write the name of variable, that is age. And after this message, the age will also print it. And this endl, I will explain in the escape sequence what I will explain what this endl do. And the output will be like this. You will see there, output will be your age is 25. This output will be shown. Your age message will be displayed, and the name of variable that have holding a value of 25 will be also displayed. This is a basic output operation. And how we can use a output operation for multiple values. Basically, we have initialized to two integer value, that is x10 and y10. Then we use the uh, output syntax. We use the cout command and extraction operator, and use this to display the whole string, display the letter and alphabetic. We use a double quotation. Then we have want to display the value variable that integer is holding. Simply we use displaying the x is equal to, and after this we use instruction operator, and then put the name of the variable x, and after that we use the insertion operator again. Then we put the comma, so we can separate the both value by the comma. And we display the y here by using a double quotation, so this same message display without any changes. And after that we use the name of variable that holding a 20 value, that is integer, and it will print out the message. uh, Now we can talk about the escape sequence. What are the escape sequence? Basically, escape sequence are used to perform the different specific task. This is a special character that is used to format our output. For example, slash n is used to move the other word to the new line like this. I will give you full overview. And tabular form is used to add the spaces between the output. This is the all the output to message. What should I do? The slash n, if we enter the slash n here, you can see there example in example slash n is entered. What it should do, it will print the hello, and after that it will give the one line space and print the word on another line. And slash t, what will you tab, add a horizontal space. Basically, it add the space between the two words. And then we use a cout function that hello will be displayed, and after this after the space, after some space, the word will be displayed. Backspace is used to delete the previous character. And this, what should it happen? The hello will be print. The hello O will be not print. O will be removed. It will be delete, and hell word will be printed. Carriage return are used to move the cursor at the beginning. Basically, it used to move the cursor. If cursor is here, it will move the cursor to the word, and word only will be displayed. Now move to the code so you can understand it better in a better way. So let's start the code after this, and let me write the code. Then I will explain you. Okay, I write the same the syntax of in which every code be used. That is like a IO stream for input and output operation, and using namespace. So we write the output operation without using the std. If you want to, first of all, I tell you about the input operation, how we use input operation. If you want to display the message, that is one. If you want to display this message, I will make it simple like this. You want to display this a that holding a value 1. uh, Let me discuss about the input operation first. If you want to take the user from the value from the user for a that hold the a value, what we should do is simply declare the int a without initializing any value. After this, we go to another line and type here message that able to display the message. From this message, user can enter the its response. I will type here, enter the number. That's it. And for the input operation, we have to write here cin, and this is the extraction operator that we use for the input, and the value name, variable name, that is a. And after that, the value will be stored in the a variable that is integer type. After if I run this code and let me print out it's also see out, we use a slash, and I already mentioned that in I already mentioned in that escape sequence why we use escape sequence used to perform the specific task. Slash n used to move the in the new line. If we I don't use this slash n, first of all I don't use this slash n so you can understand it. Simply I will print out the a. Now if I execute and compile and run, you will see this it will showing this message, enter the number. If I enter this number, the number is stored in the a variable, and then the a variable is printed there. You can see there a variable has been printed. And if you want to um, hold the multiple values in a single line, what we should do, simply we use comma here, and use another variable. You can name it any name you want, and in the cin command we use another extension operator and name of the second variable, that is b. And after this I will compile and execute. Oh sorry, and we also have to display it b, and then I will compile and execute it. We are able to add the two values. What should we do? We add one value, this is value of a, and with some space we add a value 2. This is the value of second variable. It will print it to both value. You will see that this value is attached because of that we are not using any type of escape sequence. So that's why we use escape sequence. How we can use escape sequence? Simply what should we do? We use slash n in the double quotation. That's it. And it will print the second value in the new line. You will see there. If I compile and execute here, sorry, we have to also use the insertion operator because this escape sequence have its own stage. Then after that I will execute it. I will enter the value 2. You can see that the 2 will display from the new line. That's why we use escape sequence that print out the another message, another variable from the new line. That's why we use the escape sequence. There are multiple escape sequence you can use. Check it out. If you want to display the you can see that it is displaying the multiple outputs by using the extra insertion operator, and it is it displaying the multiple input by using a insertion operator. And there are different types of escape sequence. um, if I use a slash t, it used to provide the space between the uh, two variables, like two variables are some string, it depend upon you. If I move to the code here, instead of slash n we use slash t. Then I compile and execute it. What should happen? You will see the interface. If I execute and then enter the value 1 2, it will give this some spaces, and the 2 will displace after some spaces. That's why we use escape sequence. And give you one more example of escape sequence. Let me use the backslash escape sequence. If I use there dev c++, I've used a double backslash. It will enter the one slash in this. Then if I enter the value 1 and 2, it will be and still backslash will be entered with there. And I didn't mention the one escape sequence that does not use that much, but you must know about this. It will provide a beep sound. You will see listen a beep sound in here from here if my speaker is active. If I enter a 1 and 2, that's it. You will see there the beep sound will be produced. So you listen that beep sound will be produced. That's why we use the escape sequence in our code. That is it for today. Practice this concept and you will be pro in no time. Don't forget like and share and subscribe for more. And the related slides and source code will be available in description box. Go and check it out. And give a practice to it. Okay, Allah Hafiz. See you again.